Hello and welcome to Just Style and Performance. I'm Joshua and today I've got another one of my friend's vehicles going up for sale. This is Derek's 1997 Ford F-250 XLT long bed pickup truck. Now Derek has owned this truck for just over 10 years and he's enjoyed everything about it, including being one of the second owners of this truck. That's right. This truck only has 2 owners on it with a clean Florida title, and it has been Derek's #1 reliable daily driver / work truck. Now, there's a couple of things Derek's done to this truck that really make it stand out. This truck was built Ford tough, and you can definitely see it still today. The truck was used as a work truck, which means it's not trying to win a beauty pageant or best paint at any car show. The exterior does feature a little bit of paint damage. Of course, this is a 30-year-old paint job. 1997, still painted in that teal green metallic with 2-tone white, and it still features original chrome bumpers front and back. Of course, the exterior, well, it's done a great job surviving over these years. Now, the clear on the hood has been removed. The top of the roof, the clear is gone on that. It's got a wide variety of scratches and dings around the exterior. Nothing too major, nothing too much that stands out. Still a good looking truck. Also, he's done a few upgrades to the exterior, such as these wheels. These are not the original factory wheels. This is instead an upgraded 16-inch Alcoa polished aluminum wheels, wrapped in a Mastercraft all-terrain tires. The exterior of the truck also features a beautiful bed-lined interior. Good thing about that, you could throw all your tools in the back and it's not going to scratch up that metal. It also features a polished diamond-plated toolbox with a lock on it so you can keep all your valuables safe and secure, whether on your job site or out on the lake. Now, the interior hasn't gone through many changes. However, the interior, for 367,000 miles, this truck interior actually looks pretty damn good. Original steering wheel, original gauges. It does have the radio swapped over to a Kenwood digital. Now, some interesting facts about these trucks that you might not know. Nicknamed OBS for old body style, the 1992 to 97 Ford F-Series are well known for their simplicity, reliability, and of course, classic styling. One option that really rises the overall desirability and value of these trucks is of course the 7.3L Powerstroke turbo diesel engines. Introduced during the 1994 model year, the 7.3 Powerstroke is still one of the most sought after Ford power plants ever produced. Power levels in the 7.3 Powerstroke started at 215 horsepower with 425 foot-pounds of torque for the 94 and 95 model years, which eventually were bumped up to 225 horsepower with 450 foot-pounds of torque for the 96 and 97 models. It is no coincidence that these numbers were slightly higher than the Dodge 6BT of the same era. The great thing about this truck is of course the power plant. This truck is equipped with that 225 horsepower, 450 foot-pounds of torque turbo diesel engine, the 7.3 Powerstroke, one of Ford's most desirable and reliable power plants ever produced. Now, Derek, he's done the over-the-top maintenance on this truck. So in the last couple of years, this is exactly what Derek has done to the motor on his truck. He's installed new injectors, a new adrenaline H pump for the oil, new sensors, an aluminum radiator. He's straight piped the exhaust. He's added a new stainless steel downpipe. He's done a fuel bowl delete with an electric fuel pump, new water pump, new ball joints up front. Now, this truck is also equipped with power steering, front power disc brakes, and of course it is the 2-wheel drive version. Now, the one thing I'll have to mention is the transmission was replaced 150,000 miles ago. It's a 3-speed with overdrive, so you can cruise down the highway at 70-75 miles an hour, no issues whatsoever. And the best part about it, these trucks are equipped with dual tanks. Alright, so that is our video on Derek's 1997 Ford F-250 XLT long bed pickup truck, a truck that's been his reliable work truck for the last 10 years. And he's done a lot of work to it to make this thing look good and of course sound good. The best part about it, it's fitted with the most reliable and sought after Ford diesel engine, the 7.3L Powerstroke. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this truck, why don't you check out the full listing with the full pictures down in the description box below. I've got a link to our listing on classiccars.com. There you're going to see about 100 plus HD pictures and a fully detailed description list talking more about what's been done to this truck. If you're looking for a good, reliable work truck that doesn't cost a whole lot, then I would definitely recommend Derek's 97 Ford. So if you'd like to learn more about Derek's truck, all you gotta do is give me a call today at 407-970-6866. I'll be glad to take your call, answer all your questions about Derek's truck, and hopefully we can make this truck yours today. Now, if you like this video and you wanna see more of what happens on this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that red subscribe button. That's gonna secure you and having a great channel pop up on your YouTube homepage. And I post a lot of different videos, not only vehicles I'm helping sell and market for people, but also my other videos that I'd like to post on the channel. And if you know somebody that's looking for a pickup truck, why don't you share this video with them? And of course, thank you so much for watching the video, and check out Just Style and Performance.